Something went wrong. Please try.
Everything is going wrong. Hey guys, welcome back to yet another exciting unboxing and review. I am Ariba from Brandsynario and today we'll be reviewing and unboxing OPPO Reno4. Let's get started. Let's get started. अच्छा जी, तो इसको मैं ज़रा साइड पे रख देती हूँ. ओके, इसके अंदर देखते हैं क्या है. ओके, इसके अंदर सबसे पहले है हमारी सिम इजेक्शन टूल. इसको भी हम निकाल के रख देंगे साइड पे. और फिर हमारे पास दो मैनुअल्स हैं और एक जो है वो है सेफ्टी गाइड और दूसरा जो है क्विक गाइड. और उसके नीचे दिया हुआ है हमें एक ट्रांसपेरेंट सिलिकॉन केस और उसके नीचे आता है फ़ोन. इसके मैं साइड पर रखती हूँ एंड विल गेट बैक टू इट. ओके, देन वी हैव द चार्जर, द अडाप्टर. और फिर इसके नीचे आती है इसकी केबल एंड देन वी ऑल्सो हैव द ईयरफोन्स. Okay, now let's get back to the phone and check it out. So, बड़ा अच्छे तरीके से पैक हुआ है ये. Okay, so the phone comes in two variants, Galactic Blue and Space Black. The variant we have is in Space Black today. और इसकी पैकेजिंग निकालते हैं ज़रा. अच्छा, on the back we can see quad cameras. That means like it has 4 cameras. In the front we can see 2 cameras, 2 selfie cameras. और इसकी जो डिस्प्ले साइज़ है इट्स 6.4 inches, which is amazing if you want to binge watch on your favorite shows. So it will provide a really amazing video experience. Another exciting thing about this phone is that on the back you can see some imprints. लेकिन वो अगर आप फ़ोन को थोड़ा सा टिल्ट करेंगे तो वो नज़र आता है ओप्पो की ब्रांडिंग हुई हुई है. एंड इट्स नॉट फुली कवर्ड, वो सिर्फ हाफ ऑफ द फ़ोन तक नज़र आता है. Okay, so the phone feels very light, it's very thin and it only weighs 165 grams and it's pretty trendy and fashionable, looks pretty cool. Okay, so if you talk about its display, it has a 6.4 inches AMOLED screen with 20:9 aspect ratio and a Gorilla Glass 6. Okay, so if you look at the phone, on the left hand side we can see the power notch and on the right hand side we can see the SIM tray and the volume notches. At the bottom of the phone we have the earphone jack, the microphone, the charging port and the speakers. So the OPPO Reno4 has a smart AI sensor which is used for smart rotation, smart always on, anti-peeping and air gesture, which means it senses hand gestures, which is amazing if you're driving or if your hands are dirty. So the OPPO Reno4 has a ColorOS 7.2, Android 10, 8GB RAM and 128GB internal storage. Okay, so let's talk about my favorite feature. Okay, so the feature is called pull down gesture, which brings all your favorite apps at the bottom of the screen, which means you can easily access all your favorite apps. Now let's check out the camera and see how that is. Okay, so the quad camera provides 48 megapixel main camera. For the wide camera angle you get 8 megapixel and the macro and mono cameras are 2 megapixel each. But the best of all is the selfies camera, which is 32 megapixel.
Finally, time to check out its video mode. मैं एक grass surface पे चल रही हूँ and the colors are brilliant. It says that it has a 32 megapixel front camera, which is pretty amazing. अभी धूप बहुत हो रही है तो थोड़ा सा overexpose आ रहा है, but the colors are really nice. और ज़रा सी भी जो है वो picture quality या जो video quality वो pixelate नहीं हो रही है. Well, it's time to check out the video mode from the back camera.
So the Oppo Reno4 has amazing features, amazing camera results and a huge storage space. Let us know what you think about this phone in the comments below.